Welcome to a smarter, more intuitive way of learning and presenting with the all-new Samsung WAF interactive display. Whether you're in a classroom or a corporate setup, this device combines cutting-edge performance, user-friendly tools, and seamless connectivity, making collaboration simpler and more powerful than ever. Let's walk through everything it has to offer. The heart of interactive teaching, the Whiteboard app. Let's break it down and understand how this app works. So right here, as you can see, is the Whiteboard app. We open it. Once we've opened it, we have a lot of tools right here. So I will walk you through them one by one. Let's start with this one first. This is the pen tool, where you can select what kind of pen you want. Do you want a thick pen? Do you want a thin pen? Do you want a pencil, ink pen, marker? Anything that you can choose. You can also decide the thickness of how it's going to be and the color as well. And it works like this. Now the next one is called the eraser. Once you've selected the eraser, just press on the eraser and erase anything that you want to. The next one is called select tool. Let me show you how this works. So for example, if I've written something right here, I can use the select tool, mark it out, and then move it anywhere that I want. And you can also delete it from here. You can also, change the order. You can copy, you can search if something's written, and also change the color right from here itself. Now let's delete it. Let's move on to the next one. This is where you can draw shapes. You can use all of these to, draw shapes. For example, you select this, you can select your thickness and your color, and then nicely draw any shape here. And it also gives you the degrees and the angles of the degrees, which is beautiful to look at. Now let's go back. The next one is used to insert a table. This one is a scale. You can, have a scale right here, and you can also just beautifully draw a straight line as well. Then you also have the source input if you want to input, change the source. Then you also have the diagrams that you can use. There's also a point where you can upload a video from right here, from your drive. Let's understand the next one. This one is a Google search. So you can do a basic Google search while you're using the Whiteboard as well. This one is called voting. So in case you're conducting a class and you need your students to vote, you can keep your options here. You can select the subject for the vote right here as well. And then we have, of course, a beautiful timer. If you want to start a timer in case there is a challenge going on in the classroom and you need a timer, that can also be visible right here. And then we also have some sticky notes right here. And then the last one is a periodic table. In case you are into chemistry, then this will come in handy for you. You can just move it anywhere and do the rest of your working right here. So this is pretty much how the Whiteboard app works. It supports 20-point writing, ideal for multiple users simultaneously. It also comes with dual pen support with flexible pen and erasing zones like we saw. Okay, now I'm just going to quickly go ahead and show you these options right here. So I'm going to just start a new page. No, I don't want to save it. And I have my new page right here. And now let's understand how this works. So you can open an existing Whiteboard document. You can save it from here. You can do a save as option. You can also upload it to anywhere you want to. Then we have a QR code. In case you want to download or share this to or with somebody, then they can just scan this code and have it on their phones as well. This is our sharing display. And then you can also email it. You have an email option right here. So you can add a sender email and send whatever's on the Whiteboard to that person as well. And then we also have these settings. So let me walk you through these settings of the Whiteboard app. You have a display time, the multi-finger mode that we talked about with 20 touch points. Then you also have background. In case you don't like the background of the Whiteboard, then you can go ahead and change the color as well as per your requirement. Then we also have a threshold option, then we have a toolbar option, and we also have writing while wiping option. So you can use a gesture to wipe everything out that you've written because it makes it very natural. And this option, we have multiple pages, so you can just go ahead and add as many pages to your Whiteboard as you want. And then this is the split screen option. So for example, if you have 4 students wanting to come and work on the Whiteboard, you can just select this option and it will divide the screen into 4 for each of the students to come and write and do something here. So this pretty much sums up our Whiteboard app. I'm just going to go ahead and, close this. The annotation toolbar lets you write on top of any live screen, not just static captures, and you can save your notes and images or PDFs instantly. Let's understand how this works. So you just go here, press on annotation, and now you have these options and you can literally write anywhere on top of a live screen and save it as well. So that was Whiteboard. Thank you so much for watching this. So there you have it, the Samsung WAF interactive display. With its smart design, powerful performance, intuitive softwares, and deep collaboration features, it's built to empower educators, leaders, and creators to present smarter. Thank you for watching this and experiencing the future of smart collaboration with Samsung.